How does high mileage affect the performance and reliability of a 5.7 Hemi engine?
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to delve into a topic that many car enthusiasts and owners often wonder about. How does high mileage affect the performance and reliability of a 5.7 Hemi engine? With its impressive horsepower and torque, the 5.7 Hemi is a popular choice for many. But what happens when the miles start to add up?
What happens to a 5.7 Hemi engine as mileage increases?
As with any engine, high mileage can lead to wear and tear on the 5.7 Hemi. This is a natural part of the life cycle of any vehicle. As the miles add up, the engine components can begin to wear down, leading to a potential decrease in performance and reliability. However, the degree of impact can vary greatly depending on several factors. These include how well the vehicle has been maintained, the driving conditions it has been exposed to, and the quality of the parts used in the engine.
How does high mileage impact performance?
The 5.7 Hemi is known for its power and performance. But as mileage increases, some loss of power and efficiency may be noticed. High mileage can cause the engine to work harder to deliver the same level of performance. This is due to wear and tear on key components such as the pistons, rings, and cylinder walls. Over time, this can result in decreased horsepower and torque. Fuel efficiency may also be affected. As the engine becomes less efficient, it may require more fuel to operate, leading to decreased miles per gallon.
How does high mileage affect reliability?
The reliability of a 5.7 Hemi engine with high mileage largely depends on regular maintenance and care. Wear and tear can lead to more frequent repairs and replacements of parts. Common issues can include oil leaks, worn-out seals and gaskets, and problems with the cooling system. However, with regular maintenance, these issues can often be prevented or addressed promptly, maintaining the reliability of the engine. So, does high mileage affect the performance and reliability of a 5.7 Hemi engine? The answer is yes, but the degree of impact can be mitigated with proper care and regular maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained high-mileage engine can still offer solid performance and reliability. So, don't be afraid of a few extra miles on the odometer. Instead, focus on how well the vehicle has been cared for. Thank you for joining us in this discussion, and we hope this information has been helpful to you.